Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Wave plugin's black screen. Like this. In this tutorial I use the FL Studio 20, but this method works for another versions. I insert a Wave plugin. I chose the AP550A. As you can see, all of the three versions of the plugin is black for me. What should we do? Open the mixer. Select a mixer channel that you want. Click on this small arrow, click on Select, and then click on More Plugins. Search for the Wave shell without spaces, like me. As you can see here, we have a Wave shell VST 9.7. Double-click on it. At the right side of plugin you can see a list. You can add any plugins of Wave in this list. As you can see, AP550A VST here is not black for me.
وقتی تو فکری بیداری بری که سنگین تری برو از پیشم ولی میبینی که درد تش برو میفهمی یه روزی که خطر کرده تش آخری.
You can turn on or off plugins with this button. And you can change the focus with click on each plugin like this. You can remove a plugin by click on this arrow and click on remove plugin. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.